as I mentioned a few lessons ago, there is a new-ish feature called image search in the 3D warehouse. So let's head back over to the warehouse. And instead of typing in something to search, I instead would like to search via a picture. So I have a picture of a 4-hands chair here in my Finder window. So I'm going to pull that over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it off to the side so that I can click and drag this into view. And you may notice that I didn't actually click on this icon. I just started dragging the picture over the search bar. And I need to land the picture somewhere in this box. So if I land outside of it, this is what I get. So I'll go back and I'll try again. Click and drag over the search bar and land within the box. Now I can close out of this and I get some results that are very similar to what I searched. Now, this isn't always going to be an exact perfect match because this is really just searching what's available in the 3D warehouse, and not every single piece of furniture available is going to be available in 3D. Someone will have had to create it in 3D for it to be available and load it into the warehouse. But we have some really similar options and some options that you might like even better. For example, I really like this chair here, so I'm going to go ahead and download that into it, and you can download whichever one you would like. I'm going to hit OK. And then we got a little bit more baggage, but I'm going to click it and release in this general area here because I'm going to put it in the corner for a seating area. So I know that it's facing the wrong way, but first I want to get rid of this image. So again, I'm going to hit my space bar after I set it down. So double click after activating my select tool, and I'm going to select this image and just hit delete. And the bounding box does shrink down to just this chair. So I want to make sure that I got it on the ground. Looks pretty good. And now we can rotate it. So that's just a really short, fast lesson on image search. And in the next lesson, we're going to talk about rotating our models.